to DailyDoseOfDallas! I'm Peeps! I got Peeps! Peep! From Stubby! I love you, Stubby. Thank you for the things that you give me. And they're so delicious. And Deborah, Papa Playseed. I'm talking so fast because I'm so excited. And 3D standing characters decorate scene with reusable stickers. And there's 25 reusable stickers, 6 3D characters, and 1 scene. The little stickers. And use the little scene. Let's open it! Oop. Ooh, I did not know that was gonna look like this. There's more Mason. That's fine. At least it's blue. If it was pink, then I'll still be fine with just the pink. So here's the little scene. Yeah. So here's the little scene. It's like a carnival. Super cute. And I'm gonna get popping up. Oh, it's sticky. I did not know that they're gonna be. Okay.
So I believe we just fold them.
I'll get the other ones.
You probably just have to match each side.
I'll probably cut this out because, oh my god, it looks delicious, you know? So, yeah, I don't want to do it. I don't want to mess it up, so that's why I don't want to do it. There.
Here's the pink one.
Okay, pink one. This is super cute.
So again, they're like folded areas there. You gotta just match up.
It's so cool because they're pop-up, you know? I can't wait till the bunnies. They're so cute. So I guess there's gonna be two girls and 3 boys, I'm guessing. I don't know. I have no idea. Do the pink bunny.
Okay, so basically the same thing for these.
I want to pick. But sticker time. Sorry, Pete. You have to move. But here's the what is that, Peep? Peeps right here, and let's get the stickers. I should put the rainbow.
Let me see them, Dallas.
Oh, sorry.
Bunnies rule
Yeah, they really do. But they're cute.
or chicks rule?
Yeah. What team are you on? Team Peep.
You're on.
Team Peeps or Team Peep Chips or Team Peep Bunnies? Okay, let's put the rainbow first. Let's put the rainbow right here. Okay. And let's put something with butterflies. Here's how it looks like. I'm gonna put one more. And ooh, ice cream man. So let's go later. Ooh, it looks like fire. This looks. Use it. Oh, this. Well, look over your tower. Nice one. Isn't that cute? Isn't that cute? And maybe a little some flowers on the ground, like on grass part. That makes sense. Put a flower here. And the other flowers on the grass too, right? Yeah. Flower here. There's a lot of flowers. Yeah, it looks like pink bottom. And Here, one side. And there, see, it's like a little waffle. And so I'm finished with stickers. Here, Mom. Okay. And there's still a little more stickers here, but I might use them for a notebook or something, like something cool. But I might put the sayings in there. So, put this side. And this is a good game for like, if you're going to the restaurants or if you have to be quiet, like at the airport, right? And things like that, you know?
On the go?
Yeah, on the go. Which is like basically going to the airport or something, but still. But it's so cute. I love it, I love it.
Do they pack back up in there in a bag?
Yes, I'm guessing. Do they? So, it's really awesome. It looks like you can bring it on the go. You know, for restaurants and airports, stuff like that. Use it on the go. And I really like it. I really love it. Thank you, so fun. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe. Bye. What?